7 Amazing Benefits of Owning a Diesel Car. Diesel cars often offer better mileage than other engines. Diesel powertrains are better fuel economy over gasoline equivalents. Drivers save their money on pumps here. Usually, diesel cars don't demand much maintenance. Many drivers believe that diesel cars are more reliable than other gasoline engines. Those who spend a lot of time on the highway, there's nothing like a diesel car for them which could give them the feeling of contentment. Diesel vehicles tend to have lower taxes than gasoline vehicles because of their lower CO2 emissions. The chance of the fuel igniting when an accident occurs is lower with diesel fuel because it has a higher flash point than gasoline. Thank you. For more www.carlearner.com.